What's the meaning of Christopher Fry? Christopher Fry. Christopher Fry.
Christopher Fry. Christopher Fry. Christopher Fry is a famous English playwright who lived from 1907 to 2005. He was known for his poetic and highly imaginative works, which often conveyed spiritual or moral themes. Fry's most famous plays include The Ladies Not for Burning and A Phoenix Too Frequent, which have been performed and adapted for various media worldwide. He also wrote screenplays for films such as Ben-Hur and Barabbas. Overall, Christopher Fry remains an influential figure in 20th-century British theatre and literature.